Right, good morning, guys. Today I am starting to stream again. Had some personal stuff to deal with, so couldn't stream in the mornings, but today we are continuing. So I'm gonna be still playing around with Boids simulation. I want to turn it in some kind of game, just to have fun and yeah, learn Golang this way. Alright, I'm just checking if the stream is healthy. Looks like all good. Alrighty, the goal for today is to change background, and then I downloaded some sprites of ship like this. We're not gonna use this one, we're gonna use running ship like this, and we will try to render it. Overall, yeah, that's pretty much it for today, the goal. If we will have more time, I want to add then playable character, but there are some issues in the game, so I will try to fix them, how to bounce on the bottom. And honestly, I'm going to be doing a bit of white coding, because that's not my area of expertise, so it is what it is. But still, the main goal is to learn Golang. I will do some changes if AI will tell me not the best ideas like it did before, and we will fix them. We will look in performance and try to fix them, which is good. We will either learn about performance or everything will work from the first attempt, which I doubt will. Alrighty, I'm gonna be doing classical 90 minutes Pomodoro session. Feel free to ask any questions, but I might be looking at the code, but in any case I will definitely check chat after the Pomodoro. Alright, let me update the to-dos. Yeah, haven't done this in a while. Performance, recalculate fish rotation. Alright, we've done all of that. We're not gonna render GIF because that's bad idea. Alright, so there will be new to-dos. Ship. We need to change background. We will need to alright. We need to understand where the border is. So we have, how do I understand that we are touching? Is there a way to detect collision with these bushes? I'm not sure. Let me just write how to for collision with bush. I'm not sure if it's gonna be possible with image, but yeah. Then render ship sprite. And yeah, make ship appear closer and further away, something like this. Alrighty. So what do we have? We have start metric server. Now let's remove metric server. We're not going to use it. Right, we will completely remove BG. Our BG pass will be now assets slash push border. This will be push JPG. Okay, I need to adjust that stuff. Let me return render. Yeah, this is fish. Okay, first things first. Okay, let's add on the background image. This will be pointed to the beacon. Just like this. Alright. That's what we're gonna take. Actually, why am I doing this? Okay, I haven't wrote Golang code for a while. I'm starting to feel it. Alright. We'll do it just like so. I think yes. Image and node format. I know this error. Image JPG, something like this, and let's add PNG as well. No. Images. Oh, JPEG. Like this. Okay. Alright, we have a new background, which is good. Let's reduce the number of fish. Let's make them a bit larger, like 60. Let's make this even bigger. Vision radius, let's make it times 5. Okay. I think this is good for now. Then we will need to detect collision with bush. Not sure possible, but okay. Let's actually ask straight away AI. Okay, for now let's focus on the ship. We have ship run PNG. Okay. We will rename this to ship. And let's create a new one. So I don't know how to render a sprite sheet. Let me also ask AI. Once again, a bit of out of my area of expertise. Reprocess update. Interesting. Bro, ये coding बहुत मुश्किल है. Sorry, brother. I don't I don't speak this language. Alright, so we can actually, using color, understand where the bush is and where the bush is not. Okay, that's interesting. Let's do it afterwards. For now, let's do the sprite shit. Okay, sub image. Okay, let's try this out. So we are taking shit bounds x and y. Frame. Okay. We are taking random index. And we're supposed to increment it and then reset to 0. But alright, the overall idea Alrighty. So what we will need to do, scale x, scale y, we are repeating all of that. Frame count, yeah, we will need to get frame count. This will be an integer. Frame width, frame height. What do we do? Okay, got it. Alright, I will change fish image to ship image. Yeah, so we're taking its height scaling is the same. No, not the same. Okay, let me understand it again. So we are just taking widths and dividing by frame count. So we are essentially hoping that this is equally divided, which is okay. So I assume sprite sheets are usually done in the equal spacing, and that's why we can do this. Okay, that's frame H. Why do we need the sheet itself? Oh, okay. Let's do it properly. We're taking target void size. Oh. So age is just going to be age. Yeah. Okay, makes sense. Yeah. So this is going to be our height is the height of the sprite. Bit. Maybe we should add. No, it's going up and down. Okay. So we need to take the full height. Okay. Okay. So we're taking Return sub image for given index. Okay, image rectangle x0. Okay. Okay, so we're understanding which frame we need to render. And then we're just rendering this specific. Alright, so I would assume this is already from the library, sub image. Alright, so this is just the usage of library. Alright. The only thing, I don't see frame index being reset, right? We need to cycle through it, but okay. Yeah, we need to change that. We need to change our void. And okay. Draw. I already started learning Go and it is quite good. Learning all days before AI. I'm going through books. Yeah, good man. Nothing wrong with that. I usually, like, if you're asking me, sorry, that I'm using AI, I'm using AI because this is not my area of expertise. I'm just playing around, right, having fun. But overall, I studied through books as well myself. Well, depends on the goal, right? You will need to, in order to learn, you need to make mistakes. And then learn from mistakes and avoid those mistakes, right? So what gives you the fastest return on your time, let's say? Alright, so what do we do? We're taking a frame, we are determining angle. Yeah, we are replacing with frames. Okay. What's the problem here? Yeah, init. Let's for now keep it. I like it. Let's comment it out. So shit. Python kill. New image from file. And yeah, let's add. We don't need that. Okay, let's actually rename this all from same format, from a small data. What's that? Okay, maybe we will use it. Okay, so we're getting our sheet. Then what? Oh yeah, we're just creating new ship image. Alrighty, I think this should work. Nope. No such file. What did I do wrong? All right. Am I not providing it here? Oh, yeah. Okay, something is on. Looks a bit weird. Okay. But something is definitely working, but something definitely not working. Draw. Is it managed by beaten automatically? Okay, now there is no animation at all. Okay. Not sure why it's so jittery. Okay. Probably we need to do it not that often. I'm doing this way too often. Yeah. Frame tick. And this in update. Okay, makes sense. Let's place those on top. Okay, that's interesting. But we are just assuming that we are at 60 FPS. I think we can do it a bit differently. What if we'll take, lang. Okay, let me try this for now. Be quick frame. Okay. Let's done. Okay, makes sense. So we're checking the angle. Okay, yeah. Yeah, we probably copy them. Are we editing them? Mhm. Okay. Yeah, let's go this way. Now always is minus pi, never upside down. Okay. Can make them even bigger, and we can reduce the angle. Okay, that's is very big. I was thinking to learn Go more with this book, Writing an Interpreter in Go by Thorsten Bell. Can you also check this book? I haven't read it yet, will soon. Well, I haven't heard about this book. Let's have a look. Is there an example? This book will create programming language together. We'll start with 0 lines of code. The interpreter for the monkey programming language is the best step from tokens, all code shown included. Well, probably this is quite awesome, right? To learn how to build interpreter like C-like programming language. Sorry. What is a lexer parser and abstract syntax tree? Okay, this is quite cool. I might look into it myself. Let me just save it in my pinned tabs. How does eq use that and wonder how? Understand, easy extend, easy maintain, test, TDD style. The hood, love programming. Okay, this is quite interesting idea at least, but we'll need to look at it. Have you read it already? Alrighty. Okay, that's already tweak this constant to taste. Okay, this probably would have taken me a while, not gonna lie. Okay, let's see if it's actually working. Adjust what's 45, 30. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, now the angle is a bit better. However, they're running backwards. Is the problem here? No. Okay, I have some piece of code I was testing before. Okay, let's determine the angle first. Yeah, that's too much. Do the other way around. Okay. I think this is a bit of an overkill. Do we even need an angle? Maybe we don't. Yeah, let's not angle them. Okay. Just simple. Okay. Wait a second, they're changing direction. No, they're not. Something like this. Let me think about it. Why? Okay, let's make one wondering what is the velocity. Let's make one. They should not position velocity. Yeah. Oh. Okay, seems like other way around. It's less than 0. Okay, yeah, when they're turning, it's just too bit jiggery. Should we check performance straight away? See if we're getting any issues. Okay. Okay, I don't like this part. Why don't we do it on frame tick? Hi, it's me, if you remember. Ice, Bear, Unreal. Yeah, I remember we talked, but a while ago, right? A couple of months. They're cool, you make life, which is supposed to be really random from 3 rows. Okay, glad you enjoyed. Yeah, thanks for saying hi, and yeah, have a nice day, man. Alright, I'm gonna do a little break, just off, because something in my throat, so I don't do it on the stream. I'll be back in a sec. Alrighty. Once again, how do we look now? Yeah, oh yeah. That looks weird. First of all, let's adjust a bit, maybe cohesion radius. 3 and 0.5 separation force. 1. Let them come closer. Okay. Now on update. Let's do it facing left, boolean. Yeah, let's do it here. If the velocity x less than 0, b dot facing left false. Now, should we allow... Okay, let's see how it's gonna look. Okay, they are running backwards, but overall the flipping, yeah, it doesn't look that jittery now. Okay. Let's do it maybe like 10. All right, that's kind of reasonable enough, I feel like. Let's check if we have any race conditions. Do we have in our test? 10 seconds sounds good enough. Benchmark slice. This is something old. Yeah, I was making a video about that. I have only 50 FPS. So definitely something is... Okay, we have a race condition. Or... Huh? We are locked to the thread. Okay, I haven't seen this error, but I feel like this is not my error. Scavenger state. So this is yeah. So are we conflicting with GC worker? That's interesting. Okay. Signal arrived during CGO execution. Okay, segmentation violation. Okay, I'm curious what the hell is that? Alrighty. Now let's take test result. Maybe we should do indeed like I suggested. Maybe not straight away, like 0.5. I'll see if lost him. Yeah, made a mistake here. It should be greater. It should be less than 0.5. And then okay. What's happening? It's not simple null pointer and the sig. Tired of being sick already. OpenGL flush and render thread. It's symptom of data race, but goes race detector race code. Detector found concurrent and unsynchronized memory access which corrupt the state and cause render to crash. Date intro on Boid data the main culprit. Potentially different coroutines. Is it here? Oh, so it's indeed my code. B update acceleration, right draw screen, B position velocity. Okay. It can be potentially in different coroutines, can be in the same coroutine. Data corrupts memory, there is the text chase panic text. What happens? Okay, how to fix? To make a copy, lock unlock, and like that. Okay, I will need to investigate that. Feels like that's now let's place it on the waiting list, and we will do it maybe later on. Yeah, let me return the angle actually. Let's see how it's gonna look. So add angle as Alex. Just a slight angle change, like divided by 9. Right, something is up with the music. have a look. That looks weird. Okay, let's make angle even further and smaller. Okay. Let's save this chat. I'll look into it later on. This combining was use face left for the flip and derive the angle from velocity, but here it facing left, so it still doesn't go away. Okay, let me try it. So we don't need to make any adjustments. Yeah, that's a mess. Okay, I will need to look into that stuff. Try more options. Try to understand it. Okay. Let me think about it. Yep, I'm not using this part. Anyways. Okay, let me think about this part. Let's say our max FPS around 100. Good stuff. Ethics. So let's say we will have target max round. Well, actually 10 is good. So if we will take tick per frame depending on the speed. Yeah, this is gonna be integer. What we need to do? We need to take max min speed and max tick per frame. And takes floats. Or say 12. Look how this will look like. Okay. Trying to draw. Let me explain clearly first. Okay, a tanto returns angle of a vector where 0 pointing right, pointing down, pointing left, pointing up. Okay. If your ship faces right at 0, they are aligned. Faces left, they are offset by pi. Okay. Plus minus pi. Confusion comes from mixing two jobs into one angle. Separate them. Left-right direction only handles the vertical tilt. Yes. Vertical component. Yes. is this song? Like drill. Okay, so the tilt. Apps Vx horizontal direction is held by the flip. This gives the lean angle minus pi to pi divided by 2. Pointing down, pointing up. Okay. Okay. So our angle plus y still points wrong. This right natural direction isn't the right word. Well, okay. still. I will deduct this by. What's it gonna look like? No. Okay, they should look up now. Yeah, no. Okay, maybe that's... Alright, yeah. Okay. Let me quickly look at the test results. How's the performance, and I will look into angles probably next time. I need to understand how the angle of the sprite is determined where it's facing. So now I would assume they should look up. Okay. So I don't see any major issues. Still, Go call is the main problem. For now we can't do anything about it. Let me just double check. 8080. Let's have a look in the browser. Okay. So this is runtime, everything else is gray. Okay, so I don't think we have any major issues in the code. In terms of CPU. Yeah, so 0.9, yeah, this is fine. Let's look at the memory profile. Okay, image to bytes. What is this? This is Bitten. This is me. From reader. So this is our sprites. 167 megabytes for 30. How much are we using overall memory? 10. So we're using 331 megabytes, which is quite a lot. Okay, I feel like we can improve this. And try pixels. Okay, now the question is if we will reduce the number of voids to 100, let's say. How will this change? So we have 330 megabytes. Still have 330. Okay. Image to bytes, slow. What is that? What are we using it for? Make byte. Okay. So it's 83. Let's do top 30 cumulative. What is calling you? Graphics bytes pool. Image to bytes. Write pixels. Okay. Feel like we are rendering too often sprite. I mean, we are doing this on init. We got the sprite sheet. New sheet image. Alright, I will need to look into that as well, but for today I'm gonna be wrapping it up because it's already time. Probably this for the next one. Okay, fix ship angle and investigate memory usage by 330 megabytes. Static does not depend on ship count. Alrighty, I'm gonna be wrapping it up for today, and hopefully I can stream tomorrow. And yeah, overall I don't see any more questions, so yeah, gonna be ending it for now. Fish ship looks so empty. We'll make 300. Okay, 300 is too much probably, and like 200 is a sweet spot, maybe like 250. Alright guys, gonna be ending it for now. Thank you everyone for watching. I will see you next time. Take care guys.